All right. So we're going to make our balloon fireproof.
Mm-hmm.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, goggles.
I already have them on. What is that? Oh, scared me.
The balloon, I think. Oh, wait. Okay. My hair's a mess. Let's see if we can get these in the camera.
Balloon, stay still.
All right. So what do you think is going to happen? We're going to take this balloon and we're going to put the flame under it. What do you think is going to happen?
It's going to pop.
It's going to pop.
Since there's no water in it, it's going to pop.
You ready?
I'll watch it.
Get it in the camera. I'm scared, but I'm excited. Okay.
We need a soundproof
Hold
door
on, wait, I
here.
can't even light this.
Yeah, where'd you get a
There we go.
fancy looking lighter?
Okay, ready?
No, Mom. Please.
This is going to scare Daddy awake.
This is going to pop.
It scared the baby.
It popped like dynamite.
Okay, so what's gonna happen with this one?
Now it's gonna be waterproof.
You know why? Why is it gonna be waterproof?
Water beats fire.
Okay, well first let's check this out.
I don't know I don't know.
I'll explain it to you. You ready?
Yeah, I don't know the actual science to this. What is it? Just gonna leave like black marks.
That's so cool. Do you think it's gonna pop ever?
I mean, hold it there for 15 minutes. Just kidding, no. It's not gonna pop. Just as long as you get it where the water is. Get where the water is, yeah.
So what do you think is gonna happen if I move it up to where the air is in the balloon?
It's gonna pop.
Ready?
No.
You ready?
It's gonna
Because
splash everywhere. Get ready.
Okay. So that was fun.
What?
Yeah. You ready? I'm gonna explain to you what
If you
happened.
wanna get wet, go to SeaWorld.
So the heat from the flame is gonna warm up whatever is placed in it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you know heat expands.
Yes.
Or air expands when it heats up.
Mm-hmm.
I got wet. So it heats up the rubber of both McKenna. It heats up the rubber of both of the balloons, but the rubber of the balloon without water in it, it becomes so hot that it breaks open, right?
Mm-hmm.
It becomes too weak to resist that air pressure inside
Mm-hmm.
because the heat expands that air. And then the balloon with the water inside, when it's placed in the flame, what happens is the water absorbs most of that heat. And you know when we're like boiling water on the stove,
Yeah.
how it takes a while?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that water is going to take a long time to heat up. But eventually, if you do get it hot enough, it will break as well. But that water was really cold, and there was a lot of water in that balloon.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So the heat from the flame heats up the water, and the rubber absorbs that heat and shares it with those water molecules. So, and then water is particularly good at absorbing heat, and it takes a lot of heat to change the temperature of water. For example, the pot when we're boiling water.
Yeah.
And that's that. That was fun.